Welcome to the cbse chemistry lecture series. Today we are going to discuss about the important one named reaction, Cannizzaro reactions. What is a Cannizzaro reactions? What kind of reactants will undergo Cannizzaro reactions? Or what is the criteria for how the Cannizzaro reaction will undergoes? So first we have to see the compounds, either aldehyde or ketones, which do not contain alpha hydrogen. Say for example, HCHO, benzaldehyde. These compounds do not have alpha hydrogen atoms. So that type of compounds alone undergo Cannizzaro reactions. Here we have to think about, and one is it must having a not having that alpha hydrogen atoms, and second one, self-oxidation and self-reduction takes place. Now we'll see the reaction. By taking an example, you can take a formaldehyde, HCHO. This compound is not having alpha hydrogen atoms. You can take two molecules in the presence of what? NaOH as a catalyst. So the one is undergoes self-oxidation, another is oxidation, self-reduction will. So both will undergo simultaneously and gives the products. If this aldehyde undergoes oxidized means it gives the compound HCOONA, and that it is oxidized to formic acid, which on reacts with sodium hydroxide gives a sodium formate. The another one is what? Which is reduced and gives a methanol. So you have to remember the Cannizzaro reaction. The compounds which do not have alpha hydrogen atoms and self-oxidized as well as self-reduced. So one is oxidized, another is reduced. So we will take the formaldehyde. On treatment with sodium hydroxide, it gives a sodium formate and methanol. Suppose you can take a compounds like benzaldehyde. And formaldehyde. Now you got to think about self-oxidized, self-reduced. You have to think about, in the presence of NaOH, what will happen? HCOONG plus benzyl alcohol. Whereas here it's two different aldehydes. One is a formaldehyde and it's a benzaldehyde. Then we can call it as crossed Cannizzaro reaction. Previously, if it is the same type of compounds, then it is a simple Cannizzaro reactions. If two different compounds, two different aldehydes, in the presence of NaOH, it gives two different compounds. One is a sodium formate and benzyl alcohol, and this type of reaction you can call it as crossed Cannizzaro reactions. Thank you, students. If you have any doubt, please mention in the comment box. Thank you.